Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add Google Photos to Drive. Let's get started. So once you reach Google Photos, you're going to go to the top right corner where your profile icon is. So you're going to select that. So then you're going to scroll down a bit and look for an option which says Photos Settings. So you're going to select that. Now, if you're done doing that, look for another option which says Backup. Now it says backup photos and videos from this device to your Google account. So we're going to toggle this option on. So as you can see here, there are different options: accounts, your email, Google Photos, Drive, Gmail, and more. Backup quality, you can choose the backup quality of the images if you want to do so. Mobile data usage, you can check what's going on there. Backup device folders, and you can even create folders where you want to store your photos and videos. So that's pretty cool. And then if you go to the top right, there's an information symbol over there. So this is the help center if you want some help with backing up your photos and videos. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.